Hi, this video is going to be on the 5-act structure. Romeo and Juliet has 5 acts, and each act can be seen to be a point in the play's progression. And because Romeo and Juliet is a tragedy, we can follow this to see how we end up at the play's tragic ending. So our first act, we have our exposition, and this is where all of the key characters are introduced, and our main conflict, the Montagues versus the Capulets, is established, and this sets up for how things are going to happen in the play. Act 2, we see our rising action here, and this is where we see Romeo and Juliet confess their love for each other, and because we, the audience, have seen the prologue, we know that their love is doomed, so this builds tension, and this leads us to our climax of the play, where we see Romeo kill Tybalt and Romeo is subsequently banished. So after this, everything starts to go downhill for our protagonists, which leads us to our falling action in Act 4. And this is where Juliet pretends to kill herself, so people think she's dead, and this builds up to our catastrophe in Act 5, where of course our falling action has caused confusion for the rest of the characters, which leads our protagonists into their deaths. So hopefully you can see how we can follow the 5-act structure to see how we end up at the play's tragic ending. Thanks for listening.